In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to credit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of transferring your PayPal balance into a credit card. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that you will be able to do this on the website or the mobile app by signing into your account and going over to your wallet page. Your app might look slightly different than mine if you are in a different region, such as the US, the EU, or other countries, but that's okay. The general steps and everything that I say in this video is still going to work. So if you tap on Add Banks and Cards, you will find the options to add banks and then credit card or debit card. Something else that I need to make clear is that even if you link your credit card directly, you will not be able to transfer the money directly to the credit card. Sadly, you can't simply use PayPal balance and transfer it directly to a card. You will have to transfer it to a bank account. So in this video, I wanted to clear that up, and I'm also going to be teaching you how to transfer it to a bank account. But to answer the question, you will not be able to withdraw to a credit card directly. You will need to add or withdraw funds to a bank account linked and verified by PayPal. So instead of going over to credit card, choose the option to add a bank. And now, if you are in the US, you will be able to see a comprehensive list of all of the banks available. So you will see Chime, Chase, Bank of America, and so on. You can choose from any of those financial institutions and sign in with your credentials, or alternatively, if you are in a different region, you might have to input all of the details manually. So you have to search for your bank name, include the routing number, the account type, and so on. You just have to make sure that your bank accounts get linked. And once your bank account is successfully linked, go back inside of your wallet and click on your PayPal balance. If you are able to select your PayPal balance on your region, you will find the transfer option. And by choosing transfer, you will be able to transfer the money from your balance directly into the bank account that you linked. And consequently, you will be able to use it on your credit card. But like I said, you will not be able to directly transfer it to a credit card. You have to transfer it to a bank account. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from PayPal to credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.